Hey you guys, good afternoon. It's me again, JC. Welcome to our Fab Live. We are now on our 4th episode, and last episode I've showed you rather how to maintain and clean our CNC router. And today I'm going to show you how to operate our machine. Alright, let's go. First thing is to power on the machine. Make sure that you plug the wire into a 220 volts socket. And next is to switch on the AVR. Next is to twist the knobs. The red big knob is the main switch. The smaller key switch is the switch for the control box. After pressing the key knob for the control box, you may need to press the reset button to activate the control box. You will hear a click after pressing the reset button, and it will activate the control box. The next part is to install our desired tool bit. We first need to lower down the tip of the vacuum. We will need these wrenches to remove the bit and the collet from the spindle. This wrench is for us to hold the collet, and this wrench is for us to hold the spindle. Attach the collet wrench on the collet nut and place the spindle wrench on the spindle. This is a 6mm down-cut drill bit. This is the most commonly used drill bit. This is the collet spring that holds the 6mm drill bit when this is attached in the spindle. This is the collet nut. This holds the collet spring that also holds the 6mm drill bit while it is attached in the spindle. To install everything on the spindle, the first thing is to snap the collet spring to the collet nut.
Pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around, it look like circus show. Like, this is not the album either, these are just the throwaways. This shit's still so cold when it drop, it's gonna be a motherfucking snow day. Hey, boy, it's good and he knows it. He don't say it, he shows it. I'm just like DeRozan. If I shoot it, it goes in. I'm in Cali just coasting. Get him so wet, they need coasters. I got a selfie with Oprah. I just ain't ever posted. I'm in my house.
This is the ShopBot software controller. This allows us to remotely control the X, Y, and Z axis of the ShopBot. With the use of steel rule, we will have to draw on the material the size of the working area that we will use for our design. This will be our origin, which is on the lower left part of our working area. Now we need to position the X, Y, and Z axis to our origin. Now we need to set this position to 0 to set the origin. To do that, by clicking 0 axis and check the X and Y boxes and then click OK. Then we need to make sure that the drill bit is actually sitting on the origin. The next step is to level the Z axis. To do that, we just need to click this button. After clicking the button, we will have a notification that says click OK. And the Z axis will automatically level itself. After that, we will be prompted to return the alligator clip and the plate in its place. Is to load our design. To do that, we need to click Cut Part. Clicking Cut Part will prompt us to look for our design. Click the Start button that is beside the Reset button. And the last step is to turn on the vacuum. And then we're good to go.